Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss some general knowledge on World Animal Day. Animal is very much important for us. Then let's start question answers. Here first question is when World Animal Day is celebrated. Option A 1st October, option B 2nd October, option C 3rd October, option D 4th October. Here answer is 4th October. Then next question. When World Animal Day was celebrated for the first time? Option A 1925, option B 1926, option C 1927, option D 1928. Here answer is in the year 1925. Then next question. Who first organized World Animal Day? Option A Carl Linnaeus, option B Heinrich Zimmermann, option C Alec Baldwin, option D Eliza Altola. Here answer is Heinrich Zimmermann. Then next question. Where was celebrated World Animal Day for the first time? Option A Delhi, option B Washington, option C London, option D Berlin. Here answer is Berlin. Then next question. What is the national animal of India? Option A cow, option B rhino, option C tiger, option D lion. Here answer is tiger. Then next question. One-horned rhino is the state animal of which of the following state? Option A Assam, option B Bengal, option C Chhattisgarh, option D none of the above. Here answer is Assam. Then next question. What is the biggest animal in the world? Option A elephant, option B giraffe, option C whale, option D blue whale. Here answer is blue whale. Then next question. Which subject is related with the study of animals? Option A psychology, option B entomology, option C zoology, option D physiology. Here answer is zoology. Then next question. Who is the author of The Origin of Species? Here option A Aristotle, option B Charles Darwin, option C Thomas Merton, option D Selim Ali. Here answer is Charles Darwin. Then next question. Who is the author of The Last Rhinos? Option A Lawrence Antony, option B Rousseau, option C Jenny Austin, option D James Watson. Here answer is Lawrence Antony. Thank you for watching. See you again.